In this video, I'll be showing you the best Modern Warfare 3 aim assist settings. Start by opening the settings. Then go to the controller settings. Select the aiming options. Set aim response curve to dynamic. Set ADS multiplier to 90 or higher and ADS transition timing to instant. Turn on target aim assist. Set aim assist type to default. Turn off motion sensor behavior. Switch to the controller settings, then expand the dead zone options. Set left stick min to 0, left stick max to 100, right stick min to 4 or 5, right stick max to 100, and both trigger options to 0. Go to graphics settings, then select view. Set field of view to 120, ADS field of view to affected, and weapon field of view to wide or narrow. I recommend testing both to see which option you prefer. Go to the camera settings, then set both camera movement options to least. You will now have the best aim assist settings in Modern Warfare 3. Check out the video here to make enemies easier to see.